Recently, there have been growing concerns about mental health for people of all ages, especially due to isolation and the pandemic, which has caused a rapid decline in cognitive ability. To help combat this issue, I designed BrainGames.
Hello, my name is Franklin Zhu, and I am the creator of BrainGames, an app that allows users to train and track their mental development over time. There are multiple games that they can play, and the app uses their results, as well as previous data, to predict their mental strengths. This especially helps those who are struggling with memory and mental strength loss as they are growing older, while also opening up the possibility of conducting studies on the effects of various factors on brain power. The app also collects user data such as age and results, allowing the app to apply machine learning techniques to make even more accurate predictions of brain age as more users play.
Currently, the game is being used by people in the health industry to conduct studies on brain health and growth.
Before I go into how the app works, I would like to explain the platforms for the app. I wrote the app using Flutter, so it is available on both iOS and Android devices, making it convenient for any user. Here is some of the code that I wrote and the structure of the app. Next, how does the app work? When a user opens the app, they are brought to the login screen where they can sign up or log in with their email and password, which is stored using Firebase. They are also prompted to enter their age, only for the first time they log in, and this is to help the app improve its analytics, but it is not required. Once they are logged in, the home screen has two options for them to train and test their mind: the number memory test and the trail making game. Both the number memory test and trail maker are standardized games used by medical researchers because the results on each test have a strong correlation to age and mental health. When a user presses on, let's say, the trail making test for the first time, they are brought to a tutorial screen. Essentially, the user is trying to connect the blocks 1 through 12 and A through I in increasing order as fast as possible. Here is an example. When the user finishes, their time and predicted brain age is shown. These results are stored in Firestore and then are used by a curve-fitting machine learning algorithm to improve the accuracy of age predictions.
As the user plays more and more games, their scores will be available to them under the sidebar menus Scores and Analytics. In the Scores tab, the user can see their average score and games played in each game. This gives them a general idea of where they are at in terms of mental strength. To see more specific growth, the user can look at the Analytics tab. This is extremely helpful for users that are taking medication that is supposed to increase brain function, or if they are doing exercises to train their brain, because it allows them to accurately track their improvement over time.
Overall, BrainGames is an extremely unique app that not only helps users train and track their cognitive power, but also utilizes machine learning techniques to improve itself over time.